Cool. So, welcome to another episode of Let's Cooking with Lack. And today, I figured let's do something kind of weird, kind of strange, and also say hey to all the other spice lords out there on the internet. You know what I'm talking about. I'm one of these people. Like, I'm a big fan of Sean Evans. I like spicy stuff. I like food that hurts me. Got the bomb. Had a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. Maybe I got some on my fingers. Maybe I'll have some more of it later. And I'm waiting for somebody to enjoy this with me. I've got some Blair's Megadeth with Jersey Fire, a lot of Scovilles. Today, I've got this pan actually getting super hot. And I've got a pound of chorizo. Got to slap that in there. It's gonna sizzle. It's gonna make a lot of loud noises, so be ready for it. It's a good hot pan. Got a nice little sear on that chorizo. Man, sausage from every culture, you guys, is so good. Any kind of sausage, you bring it at me. I'm gonna be making breakfast burritos, except the kind of trick today, and what makes this a bit of a challenging experiment, as soon as I get this chorizo working and kind of getting warmed up and fried, I'll go into it a little bit more. It's getting so chunky. Flatten it a bit. There you go. Big old brick of meat. Yeah. It's getting a really good run. I'm really excited. And what I have with me, and actually let me prepare a little glass full of water. I'm already starting to sweat. It's kind of hot today in Denver, or at least humid. A little glass of water, and this is for, I went out and bought a few habaneros. I'm telling you, I like spicy things. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat habaneros as I'm making this breakfast burrito. They're not going into my breakfast burrito, but they will be enjoyed as a snack along with it. Now, I've never eaten habanero straight before, so here I'm gonna dip it in the water, rinse it off a little bit, and fuck it, let's go. Now, it's very important to chew it completely when you're eating a pepper. And really chew as much as you can. Because all the really dangerous stuff, the really heavy spice, my vision's blurry, I'm starting to sweat. All the really heavy spice is in the seeds. And the way your digestive system works, still have some in my mouth. The way your digestive system works, I'm gonna throw some eggs in here. As those seeds go through your digestive system. Oh shit, I got some shell in there. We got a fair bit of shell in there. As they go through your digestive system, their outer coating gets digested up. And that means when they come out the other end, you feel it a lot hotter. Wow, that was really painful. I don't think I want another. There we go. Make some eggs in that chorizo. That's fine. Let me blow my nose. Fuck. habanero isn't all that hot. Whew. I mean, as far as spicy things go, it's pretty tame, right? It's no Reaper. There's no chocolate bootla. But it does pack some heat. And I figure if you're going to admit to being a spice lord on the internet, you gotta start somewhere. So my eggs are good and cooked. What else I'm going to add in there is some spinach. I'm going to dump it in there. A fair bit. Because I want some vegetables in my stuff. And once it's dumped in, I'm going to give it a quick little mix. And just throw the lid over that. So it kind of steams and wilts the spinach. Let's get a plate ready. I'm actually going to go ahead and turn my heat up. I don't want to overcook my eggs. And it's not going to take a lot to wilt that spinach. I feel like I feel it more in my lungs now. Like as I was chewing, I took some deep breaths. I inhaled some capsaicin into my lungs. Probably why I coughed near the beginning. Whew. Yeah, it's almost done. All right. I'm gonna let that keep wilting. I'm gonna take that off the heat. I'm gonna prepare tortilla while I still have a little heat on that burner, quote unquote. This is kind of weird. I don't know if you guys do this, but I like a little char on my tortilla. Sometimes I take a blowtorch. Why do I have a blowtorch? I don't know. That's good for getting a char in a tortilla. Or just kind of throw it on the burner once you're done for a little bit. You'll kind of smell it. Push it down a little bit. Check it out. Got nice little charred stripes. Take that lid off. To the side. Let's see. I guess I can pull my phone on to make sure you guys can see this. Well, it'll be good. I'm done. I'm gonna put that on the tortilla, throw some cheese on and some sauce. I'm gonna eat the shit out of it. Maybe I'll see you then. All right, well, there's my breakfast burrito. Got some, almost, probably a third of that. So good. A third of a pound chorizo, and 2 eggs, some spinach. Put a little, not chili, salsa on top. Let's finish it off with a little bit of cheese. There you go. Oh man. And so yeah, that's how you make a breakfast burrito the way I did it today. Like, I make these different every time, but I figured, why not start documenting it? Like, if this sucks, you'll never see this video. If it's good, and you know, hey, give it a try. Maybe you'll make yourself a nice
lovely breakfast one day, and you'll have me to thank. You definitely do not have to eat the habanero while you cook. But you know what? It made the time go by real quick. I barely noticed the cook time. I just reacted a lot, and the result was, well, you know. Well, my sinuses are flooded, so I can't smell anything, and my taste buds are on fire. I can taste a little bit of the grease from the chorizo and pain. So, if you're into chorizo and pain for breakfast, go for it. It came out good. It came out good. I think it's delicious. I think it's delicious. Well, anyway, I'm Lek. I'm the Banana Graver. Thanks.